Hello, Algebra 2 students. We're back in our absolute value function syllabus, and we're doing Tier 2, Lesson 5, which is a horizontal stretch and compression. So let's check off our booklet. When dealing with horizontal stretches or compressions, we look at the coefficient of x inside the absolute value function. So when we look here, it's where you have a constant multiplied by the x inside the absolute value function. So when we look at it with our general form, and we have a typo here because when the b variable is greater than 0, we actually have a horizontal compression or shrink, because when we're inside the absolute value expression, remember everything's the opposite of what we think. And we have our second typo here because when the constant b is between 0 and 1, we actually have a horizontal stretch present. And one thing to note is that because it's inside that expression, these two things are opposite of the vertical stretches and compressions. And I sketch the parent function and the f of x equals the absolute value of 2x in other words, got closer to the y-axis. That the function was compressed toward the y-axis. I can see that the function was pulled away from the parent function and away from the y-axis, so I would say that it was stretched away from the y-axis.